As educators, you're always looking for smarter ways to help your students improve, especially in the areas they struggle with most. What if you could create practice tests that automatically adapt to each student's weak spots, whether it's question types, skills, or difficulty levels? In this video, we'll show you how EdisonOS lets you do exactly that. Let's say you want to create a random type assessment, but with a smart twist. You can choose the number of questions students should get, the folders or question banks that the system should pull from, and here's the magic. You apply filters. Want to target specific skills where a student is weak? Absolutely. Want to create a test just with specific question types, like, let's say, numerical input type questions? Done. Want to focus only on medium and hard difficulty levels? You can do that. Or design an assessment just from questions students have skipped or answered incorrectly? Yes, EdisonOS lets you do all of this, easily. And the best part? When a student retakes the assessment, EdisonOS automatically serves up the next set of questions based on the same filters and count you've already defined. This means the experience stays dynamic, the content doesn't repeat unnecessarily, and students get more opportunities to reinforce what they need to work on without you having to lift a finger. With EdisonOS, you're not just giving students more practice, you're giving them the right practice. For more how-to videos and article support, check out our Help Center or get in touch. We're here to help you help your students.